Hey guys, Gus and Karla here with KGC Realty Group. Today we are bringing you to a brand new community in the city of Princeton, Texas. Now, for our viewers, okay, this is going to be, you're going to be one of the first ones to know about this brand new community. Now, the builder is going to be Megatel Homes.
Yep.
They're going to have different price ranges, tons of amenities.
Yeah, they start at $385 and can range all the way up to $1 million.
Up to $1 million. And guys, here is the crazy part. We can sign contracts on these
Today.
Okay.
It's hard to find right now in North Texas.
It is.
You know, most builders are just holding off because the price of material has just skyrocketed.
Yep.
So it's really difficult for a new builder to just have lots available. So you guys, our viewers, are getting first dibs on this. So they have about 100 lots available right now that you can sign contract on right now.
Yeah.
And they are 40s and 50-foot lots.
Yeah. So the amenities, guys, this is going to be a killer community in the city of Princeton. So they're going to have a lagoon,
which is huge.
Very huge lagoon. If you're familiar with kind of like Windsong Ranch in Prosper,
which we did a video on, so you can go back and check that out.
Yeah, you can check out that video of a house that we did. So it's going to have great amenities, a dog park, splash pad. It's going to have indoor entertainment like bowling
alleys, guys. Bowling alleys, and there's going to be an indoor kids area.
Yeah,
we're going to have pictures, and you guys are going to be able to see everything that they're going to have. But it's amazing. Like, they're going to have a restaurant
for dining,
and lounge area.
A venue.
There's a 2-story fitness center.
Yeah.
Because it's ridiculous.
Yeah, this is a master plan community, so you guys won't want to miss this community. You won't want to miss this video.
Yep. So tell you guys a little bit about it. We told you guys a little bit about the community itself. There is 21 different floor plans, and they all range in sizes. There's a couple 3-car garages, so you want to make sure to give us a call right away because they're not going to last.
Right.
Now, the build time on this is taking anywhere from 12 to 24 to maybe 36 months. Depending
on the floor plan.
On the floor plan, yes. The floor plan, the lot size. So depending on what you guys choose and what lot area. But the important thing is that you can secure a lot for the price that they're available today.
Yeah.
So you guys, this is going to be, we're going to do a walkthrough of this one behind us.
So this floor plan, guys, this is just to give you an idea of
a Megatel product.
Of a Megatel finished product, okay? Just because they don't have any model homes.
They haven't started building this community. Now, there are going to be some differences.
Yeah.
So
finishes, just because they have different tiers. Megatel, they have anything from a classic, everything
bronze, silver, and gold.
So this is a gold series right here, so you're going to see a little bit of the finishes.
Yeah, so it's still going to be a great product. The one in Princeton is going to be a classic series. So another great thing about this community is that you're going to be able to do a design center.
Yeah.
A lot of builders out in the North Dallas area are not doing design center because they don't know the prices of the stuff, the material.
Yeah.
So here you're going to be able to choose the colors, the walls. You're going to be able to choose structural changes as well. So you know, do you want a game room? Do you want a media room? So this is amazing that you get to make your own choices versus other builders where they're like, hey, this is what we built. Either you want it or you don't.
Right.
So big plus.
Yeah. As you can tell, it's very windy out here today.
Super windy.
Bear with
Texas
us.
For you. But,
so yeah, guys, so we're going to check this out, this model home. If you guys want more information about this community, please contact us. Our information is going to be probably up here somewhere. So you can text or you can call us. Make sure to hit that like.
Yes.
Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell to get notified of all the videos that come up each and every week.
Yes.
So you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope the content is of great value to you guys. So
and drop a comment below. Let us know if you like it. If you don't like it, you know, give us your thoughts because it really helps us create more content like this so we know what you guys like and don't like.
Right.
So drop a comment.
love is what I need.
Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of this Megatel home. And don't forget, our information will be up here, so don't hesitate. We want to hear from you. You can text, you can call us.
Yep.
And
you can email us, whatever works best for you.
Yeah, our information is going to be on the description also of this video. So if you want to email us, you can get a hold of us through there as well.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Bye.